Hey, welcome to Fix It. Today I will show you how to recover deleted CapCut project. Let's go. If you accidentally deleted a project in CapCut, don't worry. There's a way to recover it quickly and easily. First of all, open up the CapCut app. Then for the purpose of the video, let's delete this project. To do that, tap on these three little dots at the bottom right of the project. Then tap delete. That project is now deleted. So let me show you how to recover it. Tap on the space button. Now when I tap here, I do not see this all media option. This is because maybe this feature has not rolled into my region. Or maybe my app is not updated. But if this option is available in your app, then tap all here. You will see all the deleted projects. I just deleted. What you want to do next is tap on these three little dots at the bottom right corner of the project. Then tap download. Now it will take some time to download your project depending on how long your video is. Now if I go back, you'll see that I have that project back where it was. If you don't see the space option, make sure you are logged into your CapCut account. Also, if you need more cloud space, you can purchase it. Thanks for choosing Fix It again. Hopefully I fixed your problem today. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions about the video.